Top Fudd, this is LA Center on guard, contact LA Center 29er 1.7.
LA Center, this is Top Fudd, go ahead.
Roger, Top Fudd. Naval Air Station Miramar reports that an F-4 has taken off without filing a flight plan and we don't know who the pilot is. His transponder is off so we can't see him. Can you find him with your RO radar and track him with your grease pencil and let us know where he is?
Roger, LA Center. Which way was he headed?
He turned port after takeoff, so it looks like he's headed toward downtown and San Diego Bay.
Okay, Rufus, let's gain another 500 feet so I can see a little further with the radar.
Roger that.
Top Fudd, this is LA Center. Lindbergh Field reports that an F-4 just made a high-speed low pass over their active runway heading toward the Coronado Bridge and San Diego Bay. The controller said the thought he saw a cheeseburger wrapper stuck to the inside of the canopy. Over.
Roger, Center. Top Fudd will track him. If there's a cheeseburger wrapper on the canopy, then that Phoenix Braze at the control. He can run, but he cannot hide. LA Center, this is Top Fudd. Okay, we picked him up. He's headed about 150 past the naval station. Doing about 500 knots. He's coming right at us.
11 o'clock low. He's coming right at us. He's going to pass under us.
LA Center, Top Fudd. Phoenix has crossed the strand and he's turned north. Looks like he's going to fly along the strand up north toward Coronado. LA Center, Top Fudd. Phoenix is turning starboard. Looks like he's going to cross Coronado.
I'll fly under the bridge so he can block us up.
No one's been this close. Yee-haw!
Too bad Frenchie's not here. He'd love this.
Last I heard, Frankie was back in Pensacola working on the Top Fudd deck ready.
It's time to bust the tower.
Yee-haw!